What's going on? It's your boy Dom coming back to you with another fire video. You already know what time it is, guys. You know I'm going to keep spitting these fire videos for you, just giving you all the updates and everything that I do. But I got a new one for you. I got a barn burner for you guys, a barn burner. But before we get into Sports Trader BTC, let me hit you with the disclaimer real quick. I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you what businesses to jump in or how to spend your money. Everything that I do on my channel, I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. So make sure that anything that you get in any platform, make sure you do your own research, your own due diligence. But now we got the disclaimer out the way. Man, look, I'm gonna be right, just straight up 100% real upfront with you guys. Now, this thing here is sports trading BTC. This is one of one, guys. There's nothing that's been out here like that in the crypto space ever. So we need to take full advantage of this. We need to take full advantage of this. All right. Now, if you guys want to get involved with this, you know I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You just come over here and come check it out. Just take a look. But I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to do, how you need to set this thing up, and how you're going to be able to take this thing to the next level. All right. Now, very simple. Very simple. What I like about Sports Trader BTC is that we don't have to worry about no fictitious bots. We don't have to worry about they're saying that they're trading in the background, that they're showing, screenshots of this and they're showing, tickers in the back saying that this bot is doing this and yada yada yada. Basically, how this company is operating is that they're sports betting. They're betting on sports. They have all the games that, every single game that we watch, every NFL game, hockey game, baseball game, whatever, any sports game, soccer, they're betting on it. And they have experts that are betting on these games. So, of course, you're not going to win every single game. Of course, there's no way that you're going to win every single game. But they have a track record of around 60 to 70% of the games that they bet on, they win. So that allows us to be able to definitely make some money off of this. Okay? So just understand the magnitude of this platform. And when I dive deeper and deeper into it, that light bulb is going to go off. I promise you. And this thing is still in pre-launch. So there's not a whole lot of people talking about it, but there is a whole lot of people talking about it if you catch my drift on what I'm saying. Now, if you want to get involved with this, they have 8 different packages, I believe, that you can get into. Now, you don't have to come in here and have to throw the kitchen sink at it, but I'm gonna show you a little hack that you can do to get involved with this, so that way you can get the best ROI out of this platform. All right. Now, whenever you decide to make that decision and you do your research and your own due diligence and things like that, and you feel like you want to get into this platform, then here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to open up your account, get that rocking and rolling, in which you can start with the first package. The first package that they have is $83, guys. It's $83 to jump in here. And you're going to double your money because they're going to pay out 200%. All right. Now, once you open your account, then whatever package that you get, or you decide, or whatever your risk tolerance allows you to do, then go ahead and open up a second account underneath the account that you already have. Okay. And what that's going to do is it's going to unlock your trading earning bonus. Okay. Because when you first come in, you're only going to be at a 0.25 is what you're going to be in if you just want to earn passive. Okay. But if you go ahead and sign up, your girlfriend, your wife or your cousin or whoever, or you can just open up you another account, but you make sure you got to use another email address, of course. You can go ahead and set up another account underneath yourself so you can unlock that trader bonus so you can get the 1.27 daily. Now, how huge this is that they're going to let you know a month in advance on what the percentage is going to be. Now, this thing could be up to 2%. It could be, it could be less than 2%. Like right now, it's 1.27% daily that you're going to be getting paid on whatever package you decide to come with. But you are already going to have, if you do it the way that I'm telling you to do it, you go ahead and sign another account up underneath yourself, and that's going to be able to activate this, because if you don't, like I said, you're only going to be getting 0.25% on a passive income. Okay, so if you go ahead and do that and you double up, you're gonna unlock the trader bonus, which is gonna bring you more ROI. All right. Now, once you do that, you're going to be able to get into the actual binary plan, and you're going to be able to start rock and rolling this thing. All right. So you're going to need somebody on your left and you're going to need somebody on your right when you want to unlock the passive portion of this platform. All right. So once you do that, you'll start earning on the binary. Okay. So even if you wanted to open up another account under another email, you can do that as well. And you can have all three locked and loaded and ready to go. And you can start earning from the binary commissions, because I'm going to start bringing in people. So you're going to be eating off of the people that I bring into the platform. So I'm just doing my first video on this, guys. So I'm going to show you right now. I have one person on my leg. I have one person. I have one person that's already signed up, ready to rock and roll, is ready to go. That's on my leg right now. So just think about it. If you get in and you act fast and you jump on, you'll be the first one on my right side. You'll be that first person on the right side. So, and then once you go in and you unlock that other left side, I'm going to be bringing in people into the platform that's going to help you fill out your matrix, guys. So, if you want to jump in, you'll be the first one on that leg. If you get in now, whoever's the first person that decides to pull the trigger, you'll be the first one that gets on. And you're going to catch all the spillover from me. So you already know that I'm going to get out here and work. And then there's going to be spillover from my upline that's going to filter down to you as well. So you already know what time it is. So that's how you're going to be able to take this thing to the next level. And then the cool thing about it, whatever package that you get into, once you start getting up close to your 200%, before that 200% gets all the way there, then you can use the funds that you have, or you can throw a little bit of money on top of that and upgrade to the next package, or however you want to do it. So that way you don't have to pay the full amount on the next package that you upgrade to. So that way you can turn a bigger ROI, guys. I'm telling you. This thing is going to be huge. Mark my words. People are gonna just mark my words. You sit on the fence too long, you gonna stay on the fence. You're not gonna be on the other side where the grass is green. I'm telling you. Now is the time to get in this thing if that's what you decide to do. But if you come in, I'm telling you, we're going to make it rain on you on a level that you never thought was possible. Because you already know that I'm finna work this thing. So it's not gonna I'm not even worried about that. I'm going to work the hell out of this thing. So you will be in, if you get in now, you'll be at the beginning of the spillover. You'll be right on the top layer. Don't wait until 500 or 600 people get in and then you ready to jump in, because then by that time the spillover won't you might not ever see the spillover. You might not ever see it. If you do, it's gonna be a long time. So now it's time to get in the ground zero. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna show you the trading reports that they're doing with the platform, and they're betting on real games, guys. These are the games that they're betting on right here, right live on a mission, ready to rock and roll. So they're giving you everything that they got going on right now. So you have all the transparency that you need, because they're not proclaiming that they got a bot. They're not proclaiming that you're going to guarantee to get get this set amount of money for forever or whatever, because it's going to go up from month to month. So you're at least going to know how much you're going to make for that month, because it could go up and it can go down. But all they're doing is you're coming in, you're putting your funds into the platform, they're taking your funds, and they're placing these bets on all these different games. And they have expert people that are doing this. And this thing is still in pre-launch. And it's not even fully launched yet. So you already know as soon as this thing launches, it's going to go ape shit. And you know that's my favorite word. It's going to go ape shit, because everybody and their mom is going to be talking about it, because they haven't even started marketing this thing yet. Us as the YouTubers are the big the big pushes for these types of platforms and this particular platform. So we're on ground, we're in ground zero. So as soon as this thing takes off, you already know what time it is. This thing is going to explode, and everybody that was sitting on the fence, they're gonna be like, "Oh man, I should have went on and got in. What was I waiting on?" I promise you that. You will see videos of people kicking themselves in the ass because they did not get involved with this platform, and this thing is still in pre-launch. You got all the tools that you need to be successful in this platform, and I'm going to show you right now. You have all the tools. You have everything you need. Now, you come over here to my promotions, you're going to get lead pages. You're going to get text message marketing. You're going to get email marketing, social media marketing. So you're going to get everything that you need to pump this out here to be able to get people to join you in this business, guys. Do you not understand the power of that? They have lead capture pages. So once somebody puts their email address into the capture page, you're going to be able to collect that email address, and then you're going to be able to follow up with them on email and say, "Hey, this is such and such, such and such. Hey, this we got a really good thing going on over here, or whatever." Or you can use this email marketing, which they have email marketing swipes that you can use, that you can put in to follow up with the people that clicked on the link that was interested. Because if people come in and they click on the link, they want to see what the business is about. So you want to follow up with them, and if they have any questions, you'll be able to know what you're talking about and know what's going on with the business, guys. This is huge. There's not very many businesses out there or platforms that's going to give you lead pages where you're going to be able to capture the email address of the people that are potentially looking into this platform. This thing has everything that you need to be successful. So why in the hell would you sit on the sideline and watch everybody start making money in this platform, and you're going to sit there and say, "What the hell was I thinking? Why did I not get into this thing?" They have everything that you need. Everything that you need. And then on top of that, when you scroll down here to my holding tank, that means the people that you referring to the platform, just say for instance, you go out there and you're talking to people, or you're putting it, you're putting the business out there, and people are seeing what's going on, you're going to be able to place the people that you know that are go hard, people that's going to work their tails off. You're going to be able to place those people in the matrix where you want to place them, so that way they can help you build the business. Now, this is going to be one of the biggest team building platforms that you have ever seen, in my opinion. That's just in my opinion, guys. I believe that this thing is going to take off, and once it takes off, it's going to skyrocket, and everybody on YouTube will be talking about it. Everybody's going to have videos. Everybody's going to have it spread over all marketing platforms that exist. Everywhere you're going to be seeing banners, you're going to be seeing ads. People are going to be doing Google ads, Bing ads. People are going to be buying solo ads. This thing is going to be everywhere. So now is the time to get in while this thing is rocking and rolling. If you don't believe me, just look at it. I just barely got into this thing, guys. I haven't even talked about it. I haven't even put this thing out. I got one person on my left leg. I have 45 people on my right leg, and I did absolutely nothing. I did no marketing. I did nothing. I didn't even talk about this yet. So you can just imagine the spillover that you're going to get from me, and the spillover that you're going to get from my upline, guys. Don't kick the tires on this. And 200%, so you're going to double your Bitcoin. It's a win-win situation. So whatever you put in, you're going to double that. Start off with whatever you can afford, if that's what you want to do. If your risk allows you to go higher, then go higher. It's up to you. I'm going to build the hell out of this thing, and I'm going to grow this thing to the moon. I promise you that. I promise you that. The same with the other platforms that I'm in. CashFX, My Passive Trade, RStar 2.0. All the platforms that I'm getting in, these things are potential blue chip platforms. These things these things could be around for a long time, guys. And you want to sit on the fence, and you want to, you want to get into these hypes, and you want to get into these little, get paid real fast type platforms. That's not the way to go, man. It's not the way to go. Yes, you can make money on them. I'm not saying you can't. I'm not saying that you can't. You can make a good little income, but you want to have passive income coming in on a daily basis. And this thing right here, once you get it set up, you don't have to come to the platform and withdraw any money. The platform is going to automatically send your funds to your account. You have its hands off. If you're gone out of town, or you're doing whatever you're doing, and you don't feel like getting up and checking the computer that day, and you made some money, it's going to automatically go to your Bitcoin address, guys. This thing is huge. I'm telling you, I will have more videos on this, that I promise you. This thing will be blowing up, in my opinion. I can't guarantee you anything, but all I'm saying is this thing is going to be everywhere, and when it hits, it's going to hit hard. Everybody who was looking at this thing and was like, oh, I don't know, those people are going to be the same ones talking about this platform. Just mark my words. Just mark my words, guys. But, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this thing up. And, I appreciate you guys. And you already know I appreciate my subscribers. I do. Love y'all dearly. But this is your boy Dom, coming from me from All About Passive Income. And I'll check you guys out in the next video. Peace.